So let's start with broadcast. So basically what happens in pandas, generally we use the word concatenations, and here we use the word known as stack, right? So this is just like concatenation that we use in pandas. So let's say we have n34. Last time we have defined n3 by 4 matrix, this one. And now what we'll do is we are scaling this now. So what we are doing is we are adding 20 with all of those single element, right? So how it will work, it has added 20 with each of the elements. Okay, so this is known as our scaling broadcasting, where we are putting up new values and adding with all of the element inside our array. Okay, so what if I want to get a range from 20 to 23 and reshaping it 1 by 4? So obviously it will do that. And if I want to add our newly created array with our last created array, so what happen, it will stretch this broadcast. So this is also stretching that. So now what we are doing is we are stretching our n3 by 4 matrix one and adding, or we can say broadcasting n1 by 4 matrix with it. So how it will looks like, it will add 20 with 0, right? Then 21 with 1, 22 with 2, 23 with 3, and again we'll do the same for this row as well and this row as well. So it looks like this, right? Now what if again defined one array that is from 20 to 22 and have said that this is a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm taking this original n 3 by 4 matrix, that is again the same, and adding n3 by 1. So what it will do is it will add this row with all of the rows. Okay, so it will like broadcast with stretching, or we can say it is stretching axis 1 with all of the axis. Okay, it will give like this. So let's say we have n31 again, we want to broadcast it with n41. Okay, so again our n14 is this 20, 21, 22, and our n31 is by 1 matrix is, we just defined it, this is this one. Okay, so what it will do is it is in axis 0 and it is in axis 1. So now the combination of that will become 3. In how many elements are there? There are 4 columns. So 4 columns and 3 rows. So it will add it like this: 4 column, 3 rows. Now we have iteration. So basically in the start we have already discussed about this, how iteration work. Again what happens, we are performing this iteration in a sub list, that is n3 by 4 matrix, this. Okay, so we can perform that iteration. So again it will print the item or the iteration that it has gone through. So it will go like 0 1 2, like let's say 0, then visited here, then visited here, then visited here, now visited here at 1 1 0, then visited at 1 1, then visited at 1 2, then visited at 1 3, then it will go at 2 0 2 1 2. So in this way this will return the values. Now we will see the same thing, not in the array format, but it will return the list or the iteration index in a single column in this way. Okay, so what if we want to print all those elements with their position? So we have 2 ways to do that. First is we can use nd enumerate, that is n-dimensional enumeration. So how it will work, that it will look like this: at 0 row 0th column first iteration, then 0th row first column second iteration, then 0th row second column third iteration, and so on so forth. It will reach up to the last row and last column. And if we want to print in a different format, like we have two ways to do that. One, it will return the complete no value in a tuple itself, but here we are getting them individually just because we have put this index here, so it will return both index and value separately. Now we have 3D creation. So what generally happens, till now we have seen how we can work with single dimensional array and two dimension array. Now we can see we have three dimension array. Okay, so basically what happens here, this is a set itself where we are defining that there are two sets where we have three column and four rows. So it will look like this, like generally we have our three dimension array. Okay, so it will give the array where we have two set, first set, second set, and these are the three columns in each set and four rows in each set, where the shape of this three dimension is this set, and this is what our three dimension array.